Have you seen channels like this? They started uploading just a few months ago and the growth has been insane. Hundreds of thousands of views per video, a huge amount of subscribers in record time, and thousands of dollars in monthly revenue. All of this is achieved without showing face, just by creating smart, repeatable content. So the question is, can we replicate this using Vexub? Let's find out. The niche here is self-improvement psychology. Videos focus on improving focus, productivity, and mental performance. The audience is students, young professionals, and anyone looking to optimize their habits to get things done efficiently. What makes the top channels in this niche work isn't motivation. It's a scalable system. They study what works, create simple, repeatable content, and ensure every video delivers value. Now let's see how we can do this step by step using Vexub.com. First, open Vexub and select text to video. Since this is a long form content, pick the horizontal format and move to the next step. You will see an option for an animated narrator, but since we are building a faceless channel, skip this. Next, pick a voice that fits the tone of your niche, then go to step 4. This is where Vexub generates a script from your video title. So how do you get a video title? The easiest way is to research competitors, find a video performing well, and take inspiration from it. Paste the title in Vexub, click generate script, and within seconds, the first draft is usually solid, but it's always smart to tweak it and your own phrasing, improve clarity, and make it feel natural. You can also scrape ideas from similar videos, rewrite them in your own style, and create a completely unique script. Once the script is ready, it's time to choose your visual style. Vexub offers multiple options, and you can even create a custom theme. For example, we can design a unique look like black vector silhouette characters on a white background to give your channel a consistent, memorable identity, just like the top channels in this niche. And then click generate, and Vexub will start creating your video. As you can see, within a moment, it's done. Let's play the video.
They're hiding a secret. Many people scroll through social media, showcasing their lives, but some choose silence. What's behind that decision?
If needed, replace specific visuals, regenerate scenes, or use stock footage to perfectly match the narration. This is where you can polish your video for maximum viewer engagement. Finally, when everything shows smoothly, export the video. Just like that, you have a professional, faceless, self-improvement video ready to upload. So yes, you can absolutely start a channel like this using Vexub. It's simple, efficient, and gives you all the tools to build a faceless channel from scratch. Check out Vexub with free credits first, and when you are ready, pick one of their subscription plans. Drop any questions in the comments and I will help you get started. See you in the next video.